For over a century, tarpon have been one of the most sought-after game fish. Known for spectacular jumps and an incredible fight, tarpon fishing is more popular now than ever. However, there is still much we don't know about this prized catch.
So many people are coming from all over to fish for tarpon in Florida. We need to make sure that the fishery, that the fish itself can withstand that kind of pressure of being caught and fought to exhaustion and survive and recover to be caught again. We don't want to wipe out the fish.
Kathy Guindon, a biologist for the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, heads up the Tarpon Genetic Recapture Study. The program uses the tarpon's DNA to track patterns and better understand the species. This research has far-reaching benefits.
It's important because the recreational fisheries for the state of Florida provide over $6 billion to the economy.
Public support is vital to this program's success, and ultimately the tarpons as well. Anglers understand this importance.
I don't want to see him, what happened to the striped bass in Chesapeake happened to the tarpon, or what happened to, the redfish before the net ban happened. The more we can know about these fish, the better.
It's a 100% volunteer program. We rely on the anglers and the guides here in the state of Florida to collect the samples for us.
Getting involved is simple, as pre-made tagging kits are easy to understand and even easier to use.
You just take the sponge, scrape it on the fish to remove some skin cells, and put it in a small vial. Fill out a small data slip with the date that you caught your fish and the location of capture, so that when we have recaptures, we know the movements from point A to point B.
And after you've collected your samples, returning them is as simple as going to your local tackle shop.
We have over 165 shops throughout the state of Florida that have kits available in their stores and also serve as drop-off centers for tarpon samples.
Dave Geringer's Fisherman's World in Holiday, Florida, serves as a pickup and drop-off location for the DNA kits.
We're very proud to be able to hand these kits out. We're open 7 days a week, so folks know they can always come in whenever they're going to hit the water, pick up the kits, and get them out in those folks' hands. We're happy to be able to do that.
And with the support of both anglers and government, the Tarpon Genetic Recapture Study has a bright future.
If we can keep up the momentum, keep people engaged, and just start to change their way of thinking that this is the DNA is a new way to tag and track tarpon. It's not invasive. We're going to really get some good info out of our fishery.